Today we are going to explore about right word at right time. You may be knowing very good grammar. You may have a very good vocabulary, but sometimes when we do not know when to use a certain word, we miss the bus. We miss the right approach. If we see the most of the problems that everyone is facing nowadays, the worst thing that we can say are mental problems, or we can say problem of right mental approach. And whatever see all around us, it is just a mental game going on. The people who are ruling over us, whether they are religious or political, they play with our minds. And if we want to be self reliant in the use of words, we need to be very careful when any thought comes in our mind. Any wrong word comes to your mind with a wrong thought, and thoughts we can't control. They come and they go. But the good thing is that we have choice whether to let this bad thought go or to catch. If that thought comes, let it go. If a good thought comes, that would be followed by good words, and sometimes we see right action, and that makes us quite a bit fit for doing something that is required at that point of time. So, the correct approach that we have for any writing or speaking is to let the bad thought go, and if you happen to catch the right thought with the right word, you need to have a small diary with you. Write it down there only, and if that particular thought is going to help you in your day to day endeavors, you can note it down in your diary once again before going to bed. And we can also rely, because we know what is good for us. The only thing is to decide between what is good and what is bad. If we do not care for the thoughts, it is quite sure that we do not care out about our words. And if words are not in control, we will see same would happen with our actions. If we really want that we have some control over our lives, we need to control, we need to choose what is good for us. And that starts with choosing the right thought, then making it more strong with the right words, and if you feel for that, then comes the right action, and that will happen with more awareness about ourselves rather than anything else. So be yourself and explore yourself. That's all for today. Have a nice day. May God bless us all.